Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something super cool and surprisingly easy, how to curve text in Canva using their brand new one-click feature. Whether you want to make eye-catching social media posts, unique logos, or just jazz up your designs, learning to curve text can make a huge difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be curving text like a pro, and trust me, it's a lot simpler than it might sound. Let's dive right in. First up, head over to Canva. If you don't already have it open, just jump online and go to canva.com. Take a second to sign into your account or sign up if you're brand new. Once you're in, look for the big Create a Design button, usually at the top right of your dashboard. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where you'll start your new project. Now for this tutorial, I recommend setting a custom canvas size, just so we've got plenty of room to work and things stay nice and crisp. In the size options, choose custom size and enter 100 pixels by 50 pixels. If you haven't used this feature before, don't stress. It's as simple as typing those numbers into the width and height boxes. This size is compact, but it's great for testing out the curve effect. Think of it like drawing your first sketch on a sticky note before making something big. Once you've set those dimensions, click to create that new design. Canva will open up a fresh, blank design tab, and this is your playground. You can zoom in if you like, just to give yourself a better look at what you're working on. Now let's add some text. Find the text button usually down the left sidebar marked with a T or the word text. Click that and then hit add a heading or add a little bit of body text. Type in whatever word or phrase you want to curve. For this example, you could use your name, a brand, or just the word Canva. Really, anything works. Once your text box appears, feel free to drag it to the middle of your canvas so you can see the curve effect nice and clear. Alright, here comes the fun part. Make sure your text is selected. Look towards the top of the screen in Canva's menu bar and find the button labeled Effects. Give it a click. Don't worry if you don't see many options at first. They're just loading up. Sometimes it takes a moment. In the Effects panel, look to the left and scroll to the very bottom. There you'll spot the new Curve text effect. This is the magic button we've been waiting for. Click on Curve. Instantly, you'll see your text swoop into a perfect arc just like that. It's kind of like watching straight train tracks turn into a roller coaster, super satisfying, right? Now you might want your text to be more or less curved depending on your design. Canva lets you adjust the curve easily with a little slider. Pull the slider to the right for a deeper rainbow shape, or move it left for a gentler curve, or even reverse it into a smile or a frown. Play around until it looks just right for your project. Don't be afraid to experiment. If it isn't perfect the first time, that's totally fine. Just keep tweaking until it matches your vision. And that's really all there is to it. You've curved your text in Canva in just a few quick steps. Use this trick to create engaging graphics, lively invitations, or anything that needs a little extra spark. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps out the channel. Got questions or want more design tips? Drop your comments below. I always love hearing from you. And if you want to learn more Canva secrets, make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.